give social media to children?
Okay, this is a good question. Okay, like nowadays a lot of children can use social media.
Allah.
Even though our brothers, our brothers can use it. So when in our age that we have no social media, of course that we have to learn it like step by step. So now what the parents should do? Yeah. First, the parents should allow their children, allow their children to use the social media in the limit age. For example, like if you want to give the social media or a handphones or a mobile phone or something like that, okay, when you give it, so make sure that this is like how to say enough age. Yeah. For example, this is good enough to use it. Okay, use it. If not, under the age, below the average, so don't let them use it freely. Don't let them use freely. If not, it's gonna be dangerous because they know nothing about the impact. They just use for having fun. Yeah. Sometimes we as a parent, sometimes we are happy. Yeah. We are happy because our children can use it. Yeah. We can call them, but we never consider about the negative impact after this. Yeah. Sometimes giving something that the children need. Yeah. Without consider what is the impact. Yeah. I think that's all. So what is the parents should do is select what kind of mobile phones that can be used. Okay, I think like this is okay. Okay, as long as we can call and chat with our children.
Yeah.
If they need more, okay, just make sure about the age. Okay, and also and last thing, please select the content of the social media
Allah.
that our children use because we never know what they are where they're doing in their own mobile phones. Of course, this mobile phone is gonna be our privacy. Yeah, we will never let other people take it or open it, right? Even though I try to borrow it for you guys, but I never let you to open all of my applications, for all my status, for all of my message. This is kind of the privacy. Of course, if you let your children to have it, of course, like we try to manage him. Okay, come on, let me open your mobile phone. Oh, come on, this is my privacy. So we cannot blame our children. So the first thing that you have to blame yourself. Why you give it to your children if they are not enough age to use it? Okay, the first thing that our parents have to aware of everything.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Lee. Very totally awesome explanation about that.